In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new gesture in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see Accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the Accessibility menu, and I'm scanning through the options until I spot Switch Control. When I see Switch Control, I tap on it, and that takes me straight into the settings page for it. Alright, now that I'm here on the Switch Control screen, I start scrolling down through the available options. I keep moving slowly until I find Saved Gesture. Once I see it, I tap on Save Gesture, and that opens up the section where gestures are stored and managed. From here, I tap on Create New Gesture, and this brings up a blank space where I can draw directly on the screen. So I go ahead and draw my gesture just the way I want it, taking a moment to make sure the motion looks right before moving on. Once I'm satisfied with the gesture, I tap Save in the top right corner. Now I'm prompted to enter a name, so I type in a name for the gesture that I'll recognize later. After entering the name, I tap Save again, and the new gesture is created and stored. I pause here for a second just to make sure everything looks good, and then I start backing out through the menu step by step, heading back toward the main screens. Anytime you want to revisit this, just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap Switch Control, open Save Gesture, and repeat the process. And that's all there is to it. You've now created a new gesture on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to create more whenever you